How to add texture in Blender in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So sooner or later you may want to use an image texture on your model. If you are using an external application, you need to know where on the mesh you are painting, and you may also need to test your UV mapping with a test image. So the applying textures to UVs, like create a material for the object, tell Blender to use the UV texture on faces when rendering. To create a material, you have to click and add new material in the shading context, and there are two ways, like as you can see like this. And in the texture panel you have to add a new texture and define the texture as an image and load the image you want to use in the mapping section, and choose UV from the coordinates menu and select the UV map to use. Make sure it is mapped to color in the influence section as well. It will be mapped to color by default, and the UV texture is name UV text by default. And you can also try using the text grid. If your image is a base uniform pattern and you want the application of that image to your model to look like cloth, you do not want any stretching unless you want the cloth to look like a spandex. So for that, when you render, the mesh will have the text grid as its color and the UV text will be size image you specified. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.